Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Chana Madra is a thick yogurt based gravy which is a very popular dish in Himachal. Most of the time it is prepared in Himachal's traditional function called Dham and it is eaten along with rice. Chana Madra is a popular Himachali curry prepared with chickpeas, yogurt and spices. Channa means chickpeas and Madra means thick yogurt curry in Himachal. Chana Madra is a vegetarian dish from Himachali cuisine. So without any further delay, let's get started. First we'll have a quick look at the list of the ingredients. Take 1 cup of white channa, wash it with water and soak it for around 8 to 9 hours. Now cook it in a pressure cooker and take 1 cup of channa, a pinch of hing, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 cups of thick curd. Spices are 1 small inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, few peppercorns, few cloves. Now heat a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, add all the spices, saute it well for around 1 minute. Now we'll add all the spices. First add the hing, then coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric and saute it well. Cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll take the thick curd and beat it well and we add it in the spice mixture and cook it well. Now we'll reduce the flame and keep stirring the mixture until the curd is well cooked. Now we'll slowly increase the flame and keep stirring constantly until the curd starts to boil. In this stage, you can add channa and salt and we'll cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes. Tasty and delicious Chana Madra is ready. You can serve this with steamed rice. It's perfect for a meal. Thank you all for watching this video.